Welcome back. As promised, let's take a look at what's happening in the commodity universe. Metals are still in focus, and the play is China once again. We have Manisha Gupta joining in for that. Manisha, happy Friday. So what? We're getting more stimulus in China?
Well, it sounds like that. 1 trillion yuan is what China officials have been talking about. Until you see the notification, until you have it on paper, the markets clearly don't take it in. But this has definitely improved the sentiment. You know, even with that, while if you look at this week, we still are trading in the negative for many of those metals because we started on a weaker note. But with the dollar index coming off its highs, with China PMI data coming in positive, the infrastructure numbers have been on the stronger side as well. There has been a JP Morgan report which says that with the kind of infra development that China is doing, the demand for metals like copper, iron ore, steel are going to be in demand there. So that perhaps would be supportive. Also, when you look at the inventories, we have seen a bit of a decline come in for China and New York. The LME inventories for many of these metals still have been on the higher side. With the kind of demand that seems to be picking up, the copper inventories, while on LME are at a discount of $70, they have turned into a premium when it comes to the Chinese market. So there clearly is an arbitrage that's happening in the metals in the global markets as well. Well, going forward, it really is going to be about the employment numbers that we will see come in from US, and the street will watch out for the demand numbers also coming in case of Europe and US markets. As of now, the China seems like the only bright spot within the metal sector here. But as I said, for the week, we still are headed into a negative moving for many of these metal prices. So 0.5% to 2% of a decline is what we are posting for the week.
Thank you very much for that. Get into a break. On the other side, we'll discuss market technicals. Mitesh Thakkar joins in with his top trading bets.